Hey everyone, and welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're looking to elevate your dental care game, today's review is for you. I'll be talking about the Practicon 110-11737 SmileGoods Adult Super Deluxe Dental Care Kit. It's got everything you need for a thorough dental routine. A toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, tongue cleaner, and mouthwash, all packed together in one convenient set. It's definitely more than just your basic dental essentials, so let's dive in. This kit comes with a wide variety of tools that are designed to give you a professional level clean. First off, the toothbrush itself feels pretty solid, and the bristles are designed for gentle yet effective cleaning. The toothpaste, as expected, is minty fresh and does a great job of cleaning without being too harsh on your gums. The floss is strong, and I really like the addition of the tongue cleaner, which is often overlooked in many dental care kits, but makes a huge difference in your overall mouth freshness. What I found interesting about this set is that it's not just a one-time use kit. It comes in a pack of 72, which makes it perfect if you're looking to stock up for the long haul. So whether you're a family stocking up for months or just want to ensure you never run out of dental essentials, this kit has you covered. I've used it for a couple of weeks now, and one thing that stands out is how convenient it is to have everything in one package. There's no hunting around for floss or toothpaste when you're in a rush. It's all there. The mouthwash in particular has a fresh, clean taste without any overpowering chemical aftertaste, which I really appreciate. It feels like a more premium experience than some drugstore options out there. But not everything's perfect. The packaging is a bit bulky, and if you're someone who likes a minimal, sleek design for your bathroom counter, this might not be your aesthetic. Also, while the toothbrush is decent, I do feel that for some, it could be a little too stiff, especially if you have sensitive gums. Now, is this kit worth the price? Well, considering that you're getting a professional-grade dental care setup with a high number of pieces, I think it's a pretty solid value. If you're looking for a single-use or travel-size option, though, this might be a bit over the top. But if you're someone who wants to invest in their dental care and stock up, this kit could save you money in the long run. In terms of value, this definitely compares well to similar products. I've seen other kits with fewer pieces for a similar price, but this one offers a comprehensive package that justifies the cost. It's not the cheapest out there, but for what you're getting, I think it's well worth it. As for build quality, the items are sturdy, and the materials feel durable. I haven't had any issues with the products falling apart or losing their effectiveness over time, which is a good sign. The longevity of the kit depends on how frequently you're using it, but I would imagine this pack would last a typical household quite a while. Now, if I had to point out a few alternatives, some smaller kits with fewer pieces might be a better fit for those of you who don't want to commit to a pack of 72. But for anyone looking for a long-term dental solution, this set really delivers. So what's the final verdict? I think the Practicon SmileGoods Dental Care Kit is a great choice for anyone looking to maintain a professional-level dental routine at home. It provides excellent value, especially considering the number of pieces you get, and the quality of the products is impressive. If you're someone who doesn't mind a more substantial package, I think you'll be happy with this set. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've already tried this kit, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.